Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be doing this remedy for you to stay hydrated down there. So if you need this drink, just gather here. If you have not subscribed, please do so, and do not forget to turn on the bell for more helpful videos. You want to be juicy down there, you want to taste good down there, try this drink. So this is what we have here. Here is a vegetable, okay? So this is just wonderful. Okra is so wonderful. This will keep you, like, it will help to take care of you as a lady down there. This will prevent dryness if you have been having discomfort, or if you have not been in the mood lately. This will help to take care of all that. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to wash it thoroughly. So you have to cut it into smaller size. Okay, so I'm reserving this one because I'm going to grate it. So the next thing to do is to get a transparent glass like this. Okay, just like this, or you can make use of any cup, but I love making use of a transparent one. I'll transfer everything into the glass cup. Yes, so you can decide to grate everything, then after that you strain it out. The next thing to do is to add a very hot water. Perfect. Make sure the water is very hot. It's very important to be able to get more juice from it. And yeah, so I'll just mix it up gradually. Good. So after that, I'm going to leave it for about 10 minutes. Okay, that is just for it to extract more juice from it. And it's also very important to keep it warm. Okay, you have to take it warm and not hot. So I'll leave this for some time then before straining it out. So this is how you are going to make this drink very nourishing. This will help to take care of you down there and help to for dryness and for those that are trying to conceive, because this is going to increase your your mucus. Is going to help you to increase your air quality, yes, your ovulation. So if you want to conceive, you have to try this. If you want your partner to always be there for you, you have to try this. So right now I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes, which is very important to enable the ingredients to infuse properly into the water. And so nice. All right, so I'll just go right now and strain it out. After that, I will drink it. So yummy. You can decide to add lemon juice or not. You can decide to add a little bit of clove. So that is because for those that don't like the taste of this, it's not bitter, it's not sweet. It's just a little bit slimy and thick. It's slimy and thick, but so nourishing. It's just like a serum. Okay, so that is all for now. Strain it out and drink it, and I'll be right back. Just mix it very well like this. You can see the water is stretchy, you know, and thicker. It's also colorless. Okay, this will help to get rid of dryness and keep one in the mood. It's not bitter, it's not sweet. It's just heavy and nice. It's tasteless. So you don't have to, for me, I don't really need lemon juice or clove into this. It's just tasteless. You can try it out for yourself and see it for yourself. You want to be juicy, then there, you want to taste good. Then there, try this drink. If you are not trying to conceive or get pregnant, you can just stay away from this, okay? Or you can just take it when you are, when you are not ovulating. Do this every day or anytime you are, you are ready to meet, and you see the effect of this drink. Thank you guys for watching. This channel is about spiritual tips, okay, and natural stuffs. So most times if you're getting some spiritual tips, it's not fetish, okay? Not fetish in any way. The ingredients I use are purely natural. So today's video, I just decided to make this for you because I know it will help you a lot. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Please turn on the bell because that will help you to get notified anytime I upload videos. Remain blessed and safe. I'll see you in my next video.